from the playful days of a kitten to the wise, serene life of a senior cat. It all starts with a tiny bundle of energy and curiosity. Kittens are nature's little explorers, learning about their environment through play. From chasing their own tails to pouncing on anything that moves, they're honing their hunting skills and building strong muscles. And those adorable kitten naps, well, they're essential for growth and development. As they transition into adolescence, cats become more independent as years. This is the time for setting boundaries and establishing their territory. You might notice them testing the limits, but don't worry, it's a normal part of growing up. It's also the perfect time to strengthen your bond through play and affection. By the time they reach adulthood, cats are in their prime. They're agile, confident, and have a well-defined routine. Adult cats are also more in tune with their surroundings and their human companions. This stage is all about maintaining